Kanega du dashin Meghalaya ban ngi pediang sa ubhai pi baro siya kanega tup kubor mataga janmit syaban paj ki kubor ki babnya ngin yapet syai ki mat bakong san. Play Dr. Ricky A.J. Sinkan yaki kamera kelas batamai halum parien kendau so. Lakre ban play no yaka State Museum and Library Auditorium Complex hau benai jeliu. Kakendai lat kan salong tang kejaka yat kejat, kajingkang ban yat kali kan pensuk ya kayat ke yang hakate kejaka. Badyo ra ka Wapung High Secondary School ya kanam ladu ha baro ki kerdan ya lekai ha Kalimpong District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet arajar arpusan. Ki khubor ki babnya U Dr. Ricky A.J. Sinkan ubade MP na Shillong mentakasngi ula play yaki artali ki kamera kelas belashna thamai ha Sunrise Adventist Secondary School. Late yaki ni ki kamera lengba ka jingtray monsngobha da ka Hills Farmers Union Central Body bat ka World View Impact India. Kini ki kamera kelas ki don ka jingtmu ban kintiu ya ka pule puthi hanong kendong. Hagade ka sngi lawan banya shimmentalang da kinongyalam kathan kintop ya arngot ki MDC kata uba kinjo rangtang bat ikong isn a hinge. U Dr. Sinkan ula ai kuble ya kane ka jingtmu da ka ba penpau ya ka jing donkam jong ka jaka pule ka ba biang. Kinongyalam seng bhalang kila penpau ya ka jing kermen ba kini ki kamera kelas thamai kan ai jing mentoy shibun ya ki khana pule ka ba pen I ya ka sien jam ka ba bha na ka benta ka jing pule haki jaka baduna ka jing shakri.
Yang Farmers Union World Impact but baru kira banta ban shim yakne ka senjam hakabede bat ban kentiu yakupuri putri shaki kham shaki than khapur khobe shibon sishisen Yang Farmers Union yakne ka jingket ka bakhya go bi don ban next time ba lengba kini ki atli ki kamera school rangkat pat kini ki bladong lepa nane kanong ba jingker khu ya ki khna ki bashom basa shegin ki than khapur
Menteri Ketenat Arts and Culture uba Paul Lingdo ula penbena bayaka State of the Art Museum and Library Auditorium Complex kabala apkmi lenti kabakat kum kajuk baminta ba on pleno ha ubenai jeliu menta usnem ula penpau baka museum kan satre kampura ha kata kapor kaba ajing mentoy yaki nongwan jengokai bat ki nong shong shnong nalor kata uba Paul Lingdo ula penpau yaki jing tmu ban kentiu yaka State Central Library daga jing tmu ban kentiu yaka kolshor pulikot daga jinget lang bat kawai ka seng tray mons ngobha shen ketenat kan sa sedang ban pelat ya ka kali kit kot kabalong ban kintiu ya ka jing pule kot.
The State of the Art Museum at the Library Auditorium Complex will be inaugurated in the month of June this year, and I call it State of the Art because we use the latest technology to upgrade our library, and roughly around 2 crores have been sanctioned for the upgradation of our library, State Central Library, and also to inculcate the reading habit. We are also working with an NGO under the banner of Kali Kitkot, which is a vehicle that is mobile and has a library attached inside of it.
Menteri Ketenat jengok kai perthai uba Paul Lingdo ula penbena bala pendep yaga jing shna yaga jaka die jing die kabla bu kerpang bala dep ban itu yaki nong die jing die habia kren bat kilat pathai khubor uba Paul Lingdo ula maj phang ba ya kane ka kam la ya kren bat ki he jong ka yeng dor bar thau an daga jing thmu ban sedang no yaga jing pen ken ria jaka ha khandai lat daga ba pen kala yaka tang shaka jaka yat kejat Henry yaka por ba khat du ban pen trekam on sarai da usimbot menteri rangba ubadai pet yaka tenat pen roisor
all works pertaining to the construction of the vending zones has been completed. All work has been completed. The identification of the vendors has already been completed, and since the matter belongs to the Department of Urban Affairs, probably the Deputy CM in charge of Urban Affairs should be able to give you the clear timelines. But information that I have received is that the construction of the vending zones is complete. I've taken up the matter with the SMB officials.
Kajing alam jong Menteri Ketenat Arts and Culture uba Paul Lingdo kalapen bena ya kajing temu ban pen bahai ya kajing te ya ki cinema da kabas dang na ki hall badai try da ketenat ha jawai batura hapo shisnem haba pen pa ka kerdan bakerpang jong ka Meghalaya kum ka jilla ha India ka ba Marway ka badon la ka jong ka OTT platform uba Lingdo ula banjur ya kajing kieu jong ka ban yo jing itu ha ka perthei baro ka wei nalor kata ketenat kadang perkhat ban wanra ya ka khusnam ka bathamai ban itu ya kajing tebit ha ka kam ak phlim ondala dep rai khat du on sara ya kajing terwa sha ka kenhon menteri ban yo ya kajing minjur.
That Media is the only state which has a government-sponsored OTT platform. No other state government has done it. And the OTT platform named Meghalaya has become very popular, and today it has a global audience. All movies made in KHASI and in Garu are screened, songs, music videos are on display, and therefore it's a major initiative that the state government has taken up to support the artistic and musical fraternity.
Ukol sangma ula keno bakadon ke jingyade ke bajeliu hapadeng kiriu san perthei bat ki he sarkar hakabiade bat ke jingti dewyong be an ha Meghalaya habia kren bat kilat pathai khubor uni unong yalam ka All India Trinamool Congress ula khot ya ke jing toket ke babnia nalor ke jing penjari an ke badang ya chakman u Dr. Sangma ula bu jingkeli balai ki pulit ke jela kimla ban lap ya ke jingti dewyong be an haba ke Enforcement Directorate ke lala ban wat ya ki sakhi sabut da ka bapen pa ya ka jing sngaw khia halor ka jing bom shim khia jong ka bor senshar ulakan tho ru ya ka jing kentat jong ka sarkar ya ki kamti dewyong be an bat ulapen pa ya ka jing sngaw khia halor ki ejhar ki bom shim la pen bet bala ujor da ki seng ba pher
Keeping in mind what has come out after these ED raids, this cartel has established because of the deep-rooted nexus of bureaucrat and politicians, the political executive and the bureaucracy. Therefore, the investigation must be directed towards that end to protect the interests of the state and protect the interests of the people. Many of these affairs, rather than the authorities going, after the alleged, rather the accused, what have they done? Have any of these affairs have shown any end result in terms of a charge sitting?
Ka Captain Williamson Sangma State University kalapen long ya kajing lang bishar benia ka bakongsan hinen kasngi hakajaka pule jongka habalal gre hakabaya day bat kijing hakaliang kijing tay Menteri Ketenat Pule Puthi Urakam Sangma u advisor Ketenat uba HM Shangpliang bat u MLA Kathan u Subir Marak kilaya don lang bat ki he jong ka ni ka school ba banyak keren yi kijing kibya day bat ka jaka ka boarding bat ka jing penbiang ka Vice Chancellor jong katega school ba ka Dr. Vasanti Vijay Kumar kala banjur ya ka jinge trailang banya chakman. Kadba registrar katega school uba Ambrose CH Marak ula batay siya pang kajing job bat kajing ki badang don. Kajing poy siya katong kabakongsan kalong hadien baka sorkar kala IT ya kajaka ban penyar kabapin scam biang ya kajing angnut ban pen klan bor ya kajing puli kabakam shalor ha kajilla Meghalaya. Ka Tamasa Strawberry Festival ba arsngi ka barakhe ya ka agro-tourism bat ka roy ka par hanong kandong la play paj ba hakasngi thoding da udisi ka West Garo Hills u Vibhor Agarwal hamadan yelekai direct chigre bala penlong da ka Meghalayan Age Limited harengkat katnat tourism bat katnat agriculture and farmers welfare jong ka jilla kane ka tamasa ka thmu ban kintiu ya ka jing rep strawberry bat ban kirshan ya ki nong rep ha kane ka than Kathera CH Marak DHO kalapen pau ya ka jingkyo state jong ka kamrep strawberry ha ka ni ka than da ka ba ai khuble ya ka sarkar halor ka jingkirshan jong ka ban pen yar ya ka ni ka kam haba ai jingkren u Vibhor Agarwal ula banjur ya ka jingla ban yo ya ka kot na ka jingrep ya uso strawberry bat ka jingkring jong u ya ka kam jingo kai perthei ha ka ni ka tamasa kaladon ka jingile kai kum ka jing khet ya uso strawberry ka jing ya shong kulai bat ka jing nya cycle kabla kring ya ki nong wan jingo kai na keleng ka sorba.
Starting the strawberry cultivation here, it's a very unique, it's a very important initiative on the part of horticulture department that can go a very long way in ensuring that the people here have livelihoods. The people here have more avenues of ensuring of utilizing their potential, of utilizing the potential of the soil of the earth that is there.
Ka dorbar right nongpo kala mana ban ri jingri bat pendan kam ya ka kendau hapo ki klau jong ka khnang ban yada ya ka mariang ka jingthmu jong ka ni ka rai ka long ban khanglat ya ka jingpom ding bat ka rukom ri jingri ka ban lan ka bakta ya ka mariang ka dorbar kala khang ya ka jing rep kwai rep siet bat sinsar ka blas dang na du mentau snem arhajar arpusan kinong rep ki hab banda yo jingbit bat ki jingtho na ka benta ban rep ban riang ringkat ka jing perkhing badai banda bu put ya ki jaka rep ki ba pen ken ya ki kendon khamtam ki tu ki ba pom be an ya ki dieng bat thang klau ken sha pen chitom ting ka dorbar kala kentu ya ki nong shong shnong banya trei lang ha ka biada ya ka mariang saudong saukun na ka benta ka pateng ban wan
ngilabu kajing khang persya ya baro kinong rep ki barep ha jaka jongkarai ba nangdu unev snem ajar opsan minom sya su banthong ya ukwai usensar bat usit nama kini gilong kita jingthong ki ba panterkhong ya kalum kawa ba kumjuru ni pentip ba sya baro kinong rep ba kidei bendon da ka jingtho da ka lani ka kot ka ba layo na karai ban kum ka ban ajing bit nam ta bakin rep tekino
ka kinhun ki seng longkme jong ka snong lengkadat kala play ya ka office trekam bathamai jongka ya ka bala beiteng ka hapo ka scheme special rural works program ha ka jinglot ka balong saulak tingka ya ka de ka office la play da MLA ka nongpo uba Meryl Bonds im ubala mat phang ya ka jing donkam jong ka office trekam ha ka ba persang ya ka roy ka par jong ka snong ka thau ula yaro ya ka kinhun ki longkme halor ka jing ya teli jongki bat ka jing thmu jongki bante ya ka imlang ka salang ka ba khambha bat kintu ya ki ban sumar bat penne pensa ya ka ni ka jakat rekam kinong elam snong bat kinong shong snong kila pen pa ya ka jing sngo burom ya MLA halor ka jing penyo ya ka ni ka scheme
Nada bagi gedung, ni jumur, ni siam jumur, dari bor boskan, bar dari pengira di lembaga S1 di S1 di skim. Ketika skim itu di, ketika skim demi di MLA dan bagi orang bagi MLA skim dan dari ketika skim itu apa? Baru ki skim dibangi di dalam kalau ada lembaga yang kita nak sokar, kan? Kalau anda lembaga office yang video, kalau anda lembaga DC, kalau anda PWD, kalau anda lembaga IMD, baru kedai skim yang berkaitan itu.
Ka Wapong High Secondary School kalayo ra ikanam ladu habaro ki kerdan yelekai haka Limpong District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet arhajar arpusan jongka East Giant Hills dakabayo arpusan teli kitakma baken thup khandai teli kitakma ksiar hnyau teli kitakma rupa bat khandai teli kitakma renong hakane ka Limpong kabla penlong daka office jongka District Sports Officer East Giant Hills la yo I yaka jinge shimbenta bashirhem jongki school baper ka Sham Secondary School bat ka Senraj Branch Upper Primary School kilai lekai bha haka under 14 katba ka Wapong High Secondary School but Sienjat Tuber High Secondary School kila pau haka under 16 but under 18 kinong lekai ki bakham pau khmat ki kinthop yaw compared khar useful kindat high bonson muksor but ribat bang kibla itu halor ka jingla jongki banyale kai bha but kinsa mi khmat ru ya ka East Giant Hills haka Limpong State Level Inter-School Athletic Meets ka Bansa 1 u Deputy Commissioner u Shivansh Awasti haba ai jingkren haka jingalang penha perda ula ai minsim yakinong yele kai banang khamle bha shu but ula kren ru shapang kilat kilinti ban pen klan ya ka jingale kai sports ha Meghalaya baken thop ya ka jingpen kre nakabenta ka National Games jong usnem arhajar arpunyo mentangin ya pet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sun menang hatura ka jing kriat kalong arpulai degree Celsius bat ka jing shit kalong life-away degree Celsius ka jing ngam ka hau kalong prapulai na ka shispa haba pai pa chakanong ba shilong ka jing kriat kalong khatsau degree Celsius bat ka jing shit kalong arpuar point sau degree Celsius ka jing ngam ka hau kalong khandai pu na ka shispa ka jing hap slap kalong khandai point r millimeters kat bah jowai pat ka jing kriat kalong khat pra degree Celsius bat ka jing shit kalong arpo degree Celsius ka jing ngam ka hau kalong riup khandai na ka shispa kala bandon ka jing hap slap ka ba malumala ha jowai tura bat shilong hakikat to ka neki jaka Shwaban poi shaka bakut jong ka thup khubon nya pe byang sa shi sien ye kimat bakong san Play Dr. Ricky AJ Sinkan ye kamra class bathamai halom parien khindau so Lakre ban play no ya ka State Museum and Library Auditorium Complex ha banai jelio ka khindai lat kan salong tang ka jaka yat ka jat ka jingkhang ban yat kali kan pensuk ya ka yat ka yang ha ka te ka jaka Bat yora ka Wapong High Secondary School ya ka nam ladu habaro ki kerdan yele kai ka Limpong District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet arhajar arpusan Deparlok katun la poi shaka bakut jong ka thup khubor jungi mata ka janmiet hado bang de syambyang bat phila shai ka sngi kblei phi baro
President Draupadi Murmu today highlighted that mediation is an essential part of justice delivery system. The President underscored that mediation can speed up the delivery of justice not only in specific case under consideration but also in other cases by reducing the burden of large number of litigations. She emphasized that mediation is a key instrument to realize the vision of Vikshit Bharat by 2047. The President made these remarks while addressing an event organized at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi for the launch of the Mediation Association of India and the inauguration of the first National Mediation Conference 2025.
The Mediation Association of India and the first National Mediation Conference 2025. I extend my warm greetings and congratulations to the Ministry of Law and Justice, the Bar Council of India, the law officers, and all stakeholders involved in making this historic movement possible. Mediation, as I understand, is an essential part of the delivery of justice, which is at the heart of the Constitution of India, our founding text. Mediation